Did you know 80% of stock market trades are made by AI? And guess what? Retail traders are still using 20-year-old strategies. That's why they keep losing while hedge funds dominate the market. Scene 2. The problem. Most traders rely on outdated indicators, emotions, and guesswork. Meanwhile, AI scans millions of data points, detects hidden patterns, and executes trades in microseconds, something no human can do. Scene 3. AI versus humans. Imagine this. A human trader hesitates to enter a trade, fearing a loss. But AI, it already predicted the move and executed a perfect trade before anyone else could react. No emotions, no hesitation, just pure, data-driven decisions. Scene 4. Real AI trading example. Look at this trade. The average trader gets trapped in a false breakout, but AI waits for confirmation, enters at the perfect moment, and exits with a profit. This is the power of AI in trading. Scene 5. How to get started. So, how can you use AI for trading? You don't need to be a programmer. Tools like Trade Ideas, Kahoot, and Tickeron can analyze the market for you. AI is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity for traders who want to win. Scene 6. Call to action. AI is taking over trading. Are you ready? Comment AI Masterclass below if you want to learn more. Don't get left behind. Start using AI in your trading today.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Invictus Alpha. Leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts on AI trading. And if you found this helpful, share it with others who might be interested. Subscribe to Invictus Alpha now and stay ahead in AI-powered trading.